Hi, I'm Patrick Page. I'm the broker owner of Circle Property Management in Fairfax, Virginia. Today, I wanted to talk to you about our inspection process, what we do and how we do it when we're taking on a new property, when we're moving in a new tenant, when we're in the midterm of the tenancy, and when the move out takes place, as well as a most important smoke detector inspection. So these inspections are critical to our business and to your home. You've hired us to be not just a property manager, but an asset protection service, and that's what we look at it as. So we're going to do an initial inspection, and that's going to be a written report with pictures. We're going to locate everything in that house. We're going to look at all the appliances, write down serial numbers, write down manufacturers, write down model numbers, size of air conditioning filters. We're going to locate the gas main, the water pressure valves, the hose bibs, all the different things that we need to teach a tenant and educate them about in your house. Once we have that inspection completed, we're going to market your property. And the next inspection we're going to do is a pre-move in. We'll come in before the tenant moves in and do another inspection, much more in depth. It's about maybe 60, 70 pages worth of material. We're going to take photographs of everything in the house. Floors, ceilings, cabinetry, inside of cabinetry, inside of appliances, outside. We're going to take pictures of the sinks, the tubs, the commodes. Everything in that house is going to get a photograph. The lighting fixtures, everything. We're going to take pictures of the outside as well. This report and this inspection is our baseline of the property condition when the tenant moves in, how they took that property. And these pictures are date and time stamped. It's very hard to argue that the damage that was caused by a tenant was there when they moved in if we have date and time stamped pictures. The next inspection that we'll do is a midterm. This is midway through the lease term. This inspection is going to be done, let's say it's a 12-month lease, somewhere in month 5 to month 7. Give ourselves a little bit of flexibility here. And this inspection is to determine two things. One, how is the tenant treating the property? Are they taking care of it? Are we ending up with a hoarding situation and we want to get ahead of it? Do we have pets that weren't supposed to be there? And secondly, we're looking at preventative maintenance. Are there items in the house or in the yard or in the shrubbery, the trees that need to be addressed so that there's no damage to the home? For instance, branches hanging over the top of the house or touching the house, which allows insects to get to the property and holds moisture. Are the gutters properly lined, etc.? The next inspection that's done, and this one will be done on an annual basis, is a smoke detector inspection. The Commonwealth of Virginia requires, under the fire codes, that the landlords to certify in writing that all the smoke detectors in the home are in good working order and have not expired. I don't know about you, but I am not a smoke detector expert. So we hire a company called Stop Loss. Stop Loss was founded by current active firefighters and retired firefighters. And they come in and do an inspection for $99 of every smoke detector in the house. They also do a fire prevention education for the tenants. They'll talk to them about what to store and what not to store near stoves or water heaters or furnaces. They'll check the electrical panel to make sure it's not overheating. And of course, they check the smoke detectors. They provide a written report to both us and the tenant. If they find a malfunctioning smoke detector or one that's expired, they will change it on the spot for $21. It's a great service. Final inspection we do on the property is at move out. Once the tenant has vacated the property, we're going to have an inspection. The tenant can be there if they want to. They don't have to be there. We're going to go through the home again with our move-in inspection report, and we're going to compare what does this room look like, what does this wall look like compared to how it was when they moved in. And if we find damage, we'll charge the tenant accordingly. So the importance of inspections, making sure you have documentation that will hold up in court because, yes, I have had tenants take me to court, and I can prove what the property looked like when they got in and what it looked like when they moved out, and the judge just looks at it and says, it's not the same. Sorry. It's really important that you make sure you have accurate data and information on your property like that. I hope this helps. I hope you have a great day.